The world of drones has seen massive leaps in design and intelligence over the years, but few products manage to balance simplicity, creativity, and performance quite like the DJI Neo 2. This little device is far from an ordinary flying gadget. It's an experience packed into the palm of your hand. What makes it stand out isn't just its size or style, but the way it changes the idea of what flying a drone should feel like. It's not a complex tool meant only for experts. It's a personal flying camera built to make anyone feel like a filmmaker without needing to learn anything technical. Imagine holding a compact drone that feels alive, one that understands your movements and reacts to your gestures. The DJI Neo 2 is designed exactly for that purpose, to turn the act of flying into something so natural that you forget you're even piloting a device. It captures those fun, spontaneous, everyday moments that usually disappear before you can take out your phone. Whether you're walking, cycling, hiking, or just hanging out with friends, the Neo 2 gives you the power to record from new perspectives that were once only possible with professional equipment. One of the most striking things about this drone is how approachable it feels from the very first moment. Many people hesitate to use drones because they imagine crashes, difficult controls, and the constant fear of losing control. The DJI Neo 2 removes that fear entirely. It features omnidirectional obstacle sensing, meaning it constantly observes its surroundings in every direction: front, back, sides, above, and below. It doesn't just stop when it senses danger. It intelligently slows down, shifts its path, and keeps moving safely. You don't have to make split-second decisions or panic when something gets close. The drone handles those moments with ease, giving you full confidence whether you're a total beginner or a seasoned flyer navigating tight spaces. The magic continues with its takeoff and landing. Instead of searching for a flat surface or worrying about where to place it, you can simply use your palm. The Neo 2 gently lifts off from your hand, as if it knows exactly what you're asking it to do. When you're done recording, hold your hand underneath, and it lands back softly. No shaking, no fumbling, just a smooth, controlled descent. This interaction gives the drone a personality, almost like a friendly companion that listens and responds to you. It's the kind of detail that makes flying less like a technical task and more like play. Gestures make the experience even more fun. You can wave, raise your hand, or make simple signs, and the drone will respond instantly. You don't even need to hold your phone or controller. Want a quick selfie? Just give the signal. Need to start recording a video? One simple move, and it's done. For those who love documenting their adventures without interruptions, this gesture control feels revolutionary. You can record yourself running along a beach, hiking through trails, or dancing in a park, all without worrying about pressing buttons. It's as if you have your own personal cameraman who never gets tired and always keeps up with your pace. Speaking of following, the active tracking system on the DJI Neo 2 is where its intelligence truly shines. Many small drones struggle when subjects move quickly or change direction, often losing focus or drifting away. This one doesn't. It locks onto you with precision and tracks your movement in real time. When you speed up, it adjusts effortlessly. When you turn sharply, it keeps up. Even if you momentarily disappear behind a tree or wall, it predicts your path and reacquires you the moment you reappear. This predictive tracking allows you to film sports, action scenes, or group activities without needing anyone behind the camera. It's smart enough to understand motion in a way that feels human, which makes your footage look smooth and intentional. For more relaxed moments, the Neo 2 includes a selfie mode that feels like it came straight from a professional studio. You simply face the drone, make a gesture, and it automatically positions itself to frame you perfectly. It rises slightly, finds the right angle, and starts recording a cinematic shot that looks like it was planned in advance. The background stays balanced, your face remains in focus, and the movement is slow and graceful. The result is natural, beautifully composed footage that feels effortless. This mode is ideal for vloggers, travel, heirs, or anyone who wants to capture memories that look polished without needing editing or setup. Despite its small form, the Neo 2 doesn't compromise on image quality. It records in crisp 4K resolution, giving you vivid colors and sharp details. From sunlit beaches to shaded forests, every scene feels balanced and true to life. The camera adjusts to lighting conditions automatically, keeping your shots bright and consistent even as the environment changes. It handles sunsets, bright skies, and moving shadows with the kind of intelligence that usually belongs to much larger, more expensive drones. The footage looks professional straight out of the camera, meaning you can post it instantly without needing to tweak or stabilize anything afterward. One of the biggest challenges in drone videography is keeping footage stable when conditions aren't ideal. Wind, sudden movement, or rapid turns can easily ruin a shot. The DJI Neo 2 takes care of this with its advanced stabilization system, which keeps the camera steady even in motion. The difference is immediately noticeable. You don't see shakes or jitters, just smooth cinematic flow. This reliability means you can fly confidently in various conditions, knowing that your video will stay clear and usable. For creators, that's a huge advantage because it eliminates the need for heavy editing or reshooting. When you start flying, the drone's responsiveness is impressive. It feels light, agile, and intuitive. It reacts instantly, but never too sharply, gliding through the air like a small bird that understands your intent. You can take wide, sweeping cinematic shots or dynamic action clips with equal ease. Its controls are designed to feel natural, so instead of worrying about direction and speed, you focus on creativity. The battery life is also surprisingly solid for its size, giving you enough flight time to capture multiple scenes before needing a recharge. You can film different angles, experiment with creative perspectives, and still have power left for spontaneous moments. The Neo 2 doesn't just cater to professionals or tech enthusiasts. It's built for everyone. Families can use it to capture fun days outdoors. Students can make creative projects, and travelers can document their adventures without carrying bulky gear. Even experienced filmmakers might appreciate it as a quick, portable companion for backup shots or behind-the-scenes clips. It brings high-end drone features into a simple, compact package that anyone can carry anywhere. What makes the DJI Neo 2 special isn't only its features, but how it transforms the way you think about content creation. Instead of feeling like a machine that you need to control, it becomes a tool that blends into your life. You stop worrying about technical details and start focusing on the story you want to tell. It gives you the freedom to run, jump, and explore while it effortlessly keeps up, capturing your energy and emotions in a way that feels natural. Every flight builds trust. You begin to understand how smart it is and how easily it adapts to your rhythm. Soon, you're not thinking about flying at all. You're simply living your moment while the drone takes care of the rest. That's the beauty of the Neo 2. It's not about flying for the sake of flying. It's about capturing life as it happens, in real time, from new angles that add excitement to every memory. In a world where most gadgets feel complicated, this one feels refreshingly human. It listens to gestures, understands your motion, avoids obstacles, and delivers footage that's ready to share. It's not just a drone, it's a creative companion that travels with you, responds to you, and evolves with you. Whether you're a beginner who's never flown before or a content creator looking for an effortless way to shoot, the DJI Neo 2 fits perfectly into your lifestyle. It represents a new direction for drone technology, one focused on making flying accessible, safe, and enjoyable for everyone. It proves that you don't need a massive drone to get cinematic results or professional quality. You just need something smart enough to understand what you want and small enough to go wherever you do. At the end of the day, the DJI Neo 2 isn't just about specs or features. It's about freedom. The freedom to create, to explore, and to see the world from new perspectives. It gives you the confidence to capture life without interruptions or limits. It turns everyday adventures into shareable stories, and simple moments into unforgettable visuals. The DJI Neo 2 is not just a piece of technology. It's your pocket-sized storyteller, always ready to take flight whenever inspiration strikes.